are on top of the world. We have a little map here. Gun Point, Union, St. Vincent, Myro, Palm Island, Canaan, Tobago Keys, Mustic, Sail Rock, PSB, Petite. So say them over. Let's go for the next direction.
Okay, so this one is PM, Petite Carenage, Sierra,
Right. Mustic,
Tobago Keys,
Canaan,
Palm
Island, Myro, St. Vincent. You can't see that one. Union Island, and Gun Point, which is on Carriacou. Then we see here a phenomenal meeting. We have the meeting of the the waves. So where do the waves come from? The Atlantic Ocean.
So that will join to that.
And these waves come from the Caribbean Sea. So we have the ocean and the sea. So two
See?
oceans
Look.
meet.
So that one comes from and that one meets that one, so
They join together. Very well. How are you feeling? How are you feeling, madam?
I'm feeling good.
Hi, over there.
Hello, darling.
How does it feel to be at the bird sanctuary?
It sounds fantastic when you're speaking of ecotourism and a perfect spot. And right there, the Petite Carenage Bird Sanctuary, where we are, there's mangroves and there's a beautiful Lillet Beach. And historically, we often hear of Gun Point. We often hear that there is part of Carriacou which belongs to St. Vincent. Yeah, that's it there, Gun Point.
I see.
Yeah, and then if you take us around, you will see all the beautiful islands which make up the Grenadines and our sister island. Alright, so ain't no better place to be than here. Woohoo!
So that was a clip from the Carriacou ambassador. I hope that you all enjoy this clip at the Lillet Bird Sanctuary.
We on thing. So listen, what do you like about Carriacou the most?
Wow, the lovely scenery.
Oh.
First of all, it's different from Grenada.
How different?
It's more
Compact in one place. In Grenada, you have to
More
drive
simpler.
more simple. So in Grenada, you have to drive hours from a ruin to an attraction next to the beach. But here, you take 2 minutes from the beach to the ruins.
right.
What you like about Carriacou, Freddie?
I like about Carriacou, you could see all the islands and you have some nice breeze.
Oh yeah, she loves the surrounding islands. Woohoo!
And you have
Name
a
one of
nice
the surrounding islands. Name one of the islands.
here.
Oh, another
Gun Point.
Gun Point there in Carriacou, but an island outside of Carriacou that is close to Carriacou. Sandy Island. Name my next one. You could name my next one. Maboya. Woohoo! Next to you, Trees. What's up, Trees? What's up, Doc? All right. What you like about Carriacou?
The most?
The most.
The most.
I don't know if I could choose something the most.
But you like everything?
Everything.
It's beautiful.
hard to
Y'all should
choose.
come.
But if I had to say the most, maybe it would be the peace and the quiet, the relaxation. Because you could hardly find that anywhere else. The views, maybe you could get somewhere else, but the peace, the tranquility, the warmness of the people, on point.
On point. On point.
On
Gun
point.
Yeah, so you heard it for yourselves, guys. Carriacou is the place to be. ain't no other place like Carriacou, yeah? So you have to come here. She loves the serenity, she loves the people. You know, Carriacou has really warm and friendly people in truth.
Yes.
I can bet you can come to Carriacou and walk across the Hillsborough, the busiest place in Carriacou, Hillsborough, or one of the busiest places, because Tyrrell Bay is busy as also. Yeah, Tyrrell Bay, that's where the yachts are. That's where you came in.
Oh, okay.
Right, so you can just simply walk up to somebody and ask them any question, and they'll be greeting you with a smile, and you would get the answers. Let's say you come to stay at a hotel and they're checking you in. You wouldn't have to wonder, oh, you know what? I wonder if I'll enjoy my stay. I wonder if they'll be rude to me. When you get there, they'll treat you like family. Yep. And Lisa, she likes the surrounding islands. So if you want to get away from the hustle and the bustle, you need some quietness, you need some relaxation, you can choose any one of the surrounding islands. You could choose, as she said, Sandy Island, my boy, or you can go to White Island. Yeah, White Island, I just love White Island, the white sand and the quietness. You can
Sandy
go to
the same thing.
White Island, yes, yes. White Island and Sandy Island, woohoo, nice and quiet. Saline would be another good choice, because I went there about a month ago and there were so many turtles swimming. You want to swim with the turtles? Yeah. Yes, choose Saline. Saline is the place. And Michael John, she said everything is compact in one place, which is so true, huh? Everything is compact in one place. It's only 13 square miles. So from the beach, you meet to a ruin. From the ruin, you see something else. And a lot of people, well, not a lot of people, some tourists, they come here to connect with a family. So you'll hear them speaking, oh, I want to go to this cemetery to connect. Listen, mind you, this cemetery thing is a powerful thing, you know. Just about 2 weeks ago, I went to the cemetery to visit my parent, my grandmother, and lying close to her, the tomb of Laurent. And then when I inquired, I realized, oh, the Laurents were once Laurents. So, if you want to know your roots, start with the cemetery.
Yeah.
Take it from me. Yeah? All right. So thank you very much, guys. We're at the tower, the bird tower in Petite Carenage, and we feel like we are on top of the world. Down on creation. Today would have been maroon. We ain't had nothing to do. So we come over here and just chill, you know.
There's a beach in the back of the house.
Oh, Lilith, yeah. We can swim. We can swim over to the islands. Lilith Island. All right, so this is where we say bye.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yep. Bye.
Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.